Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today we will be discussing the 2024 Ford Ranger. Seeing a Ford Ranger on the streets of Detroit isn't a big deal, but this one is special. It's the next generation model, which debuted for global markets over a year ago. That didn't include North America, and in the months since the debut, we've seen camouflage test vehicles from time to time. Now, our spy photographers in Motown caught the new US spec Ranger in full view, revealing everything on the outside. It's probably no real surprise that the Ranger destined for North America looks like the global model. Actually, it might be some surprise, considering we've seen camouflage trucks around Ford's world headquarters in recent months. The covering suggested some styling tweaks would set these pickups apart from the rest, but that's not the case at all. The only notable differences we see on this camo-free Ranger include a sliding rear window, a backup camera, and a high-mount brake light. The camera and brake light help affirm this is a truck for America. That's not to say it's a pure carbon copy. The grille in this truck, believed to be a Lariat trim level, appears to have a slightly different pattern versus the global model. The front fascia, while having the same body lines, looks a bit smoother overall. It's worth noting that we've also seen camouflaged Rangers with longer beds, a feature that could be optional for buyers in the States. Global market Rangers offer gasoline and diesel engines, but gas power will likely be the only choice for North America. The current generation Ranger uses a turbocharged 2.3-liter EcoBoost 4-cylinder exclusively, making 270 horsepower, 201 kilowatts, and 310 pound-feet, 420 newton-meters, of torque. A hybrid option could arrive for standard Ranger trim levels, but we know a twin-turbo V6 will be available for the Ranger Raptor, which is confirmed for the US market. Ford has confirmed a debut sometime this year for the North American Ranger. With the automaker no longer camouflaging its mid-size truck, an official debut could be weeks or even days away. In the meantime, enjoy more truck content in the Rambling About Cars podcast, available below. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to this channel and see you in our other videos.